Artie McYardie here with another one. Today, we're working with soil mastery. And yeah, that's right, we are doing a soil test. After we're done with the test, we're going to mail it out to the post office and it's going to go out to the laboratory. I will show you the process of how we get the soil samples from various spots in the yard. We're going to use our handy dandy probe. There you see there's a petri dish with a special acidic acid chemical, whatever you want to call it. Once we're done getting our sample, we're going to mix it all up. We're going to get our little scooper, scoop it up, and we're going to put it in that little petri dish. Pro tip, download the Yard Mastery app, scan that barcode on that little petri dish, register your soil test, and apply that to all your yard and lawn applications, and it will tell you exactly what you're low on and what you're deficient on and what to apply. It's a little bit more strategic. Now I'm going to warn you, this is severe hard work, and today specifically, extremely hot and humid. So, I called in the minions. We did 7 samples, all throughout the yard. 2 side yards, the backyard, the front yard, the parkway strips. 7 samples, more than enough. You can do 5 samples, that's fine too. The idea is to get samples all throughout the yard so you can have accuracy. Mix it all together in that box that's provided, and then you get your scooper and you scoop out the little chunk and then put it in your petri dish. Now if you notice, when I'm taking the dirt, the soil out of the probe, I'm going about halfway down because I don't want to get the stuff that's too far up to the surface, such as the thatch. And then also, if you just fertilized recently, whether it's liquid or granular, you might throw the test results off because there's a lot of the nutrients that are on the top surface. So you want to go a few inches down with your finger onto the bottom part of the probe and scoop that out. So let's say you stick your probe into the soil about 7 inches. You want to trace down maybe the first 2 or 3 inches and just take the bottom 4 inches of the soil out of the probe and put that in your box and mix it up. Alrighty, I will follow up in about a week or so. Once I get the results, I will share the results with you and I'll show you how the app is smart and now tailors to your soil and lawn nutrients and needs, deficiencies, what you're high in, what you're low in, what you need, what you don't need. Super excited for this because no more guessing games.
McYardie. Here's another one. Let's do right here. Let's do right here. Let's do right here. Okay. Okay, wave. Okay. Step back just one. Yep. Who wants to go next?
Believe it or not, it's been a good 2 weeks since I addressed my lawn, since I cut it, since I trimmed it, since I've been taking care of it and manicuring it. My graveyard shift has taken over, but I'm back now, back to normal. So let's get cleaned up.